Hello, my friends. If you're living in the United States and you're over 60, this might be the most important video you watch this week. Why? Because today I'm going to show you 4 powerful reflex boosting movements that help prevent falls, improve coordination, and keep you moving with confidence, whether you're walking at home, climbing stairs, or getting out of bed. These are not the usual exercises you've seen on YouTube. These are real-life response drills used by physical therapists, simplified for seniors. Let's get started, slowly and safely. Section 1. The hidden problem. Voiceover with simple on-screen graphics. In the US, falls are the #1 cause of injury for older adults. Not because people are weak, but because the body can't react fast enough. Your reflex system controls how quickly your feet, hands, and body respond during danger. And the good news? It can be trained at any age. Exercise 1. The forward catch step. This first movement trains your body to react quickly when you feel like you're falling forward. Stand near a counter or sturdy chair. Lean forward just an inch, then quickly catch yourself with one foot. Bring your foot back and repeat. This builds fast, protective reflexes for everyday situations like tripping on a rug or stepping off a curb. Exercise 2. The Reactive Reach. This one improves brain-hand reaction speed. Hold your hands out in front. Now, pretend you're reaching to grab something falling. Alternate right and left, quick but controlled. This movement trains the same reflex you need when you slip and instinctively reach for support. Side pulse shuffle. Side reflexes matter more than most people realize. Take a small step to your right. Now add a quick pulse, a tiny hop or fast tap. Repeat on the left, ... This helps your hips react faster, reducing the chance of sideways falls, which are responsible for most hip fractures in the US. Exercise 4. The quick Backstep Drill. This one is a senior lifesaver. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Shift weight forward slightly. Then quickly step one foot backward, like catching your balance. Repeat on both sides. Backward falls are the most dangerous. This trains your body to protect you instantly. US-friendly daily routine. You can do all 4 movements in less than 5 minutes a day. Perfect for anyone in the US with busy mornings, medication schedules, or caring for grandkids. Do each drill for 20 to 30 seconds. Take breaks whenever needed, and always keep support nearby. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like. It helps YouTube show this to more seniors across the US. Tell me in the comments, which movement felt the most helpful for you today? And don't forget to subscribe for more simple exercises to keep you strong, steady, and confident at any age. Stay safe, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.